Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Chorus Apparel. um in our previous video we learned how to draft our 8 pieces top. Now in this video I'll try and show you guys how to sew it. Now I've gone ahead to trace out my pattern on my fashion fabric and the lining, and went ahead as well to iron the estate to it, interfacing to it. Okay, so this is for my front, center front, middle front and side front, and this is the back, center back and the um side back. Now for these sides, 2 inches was added, both for my seam allowance and normal allowance to the um top. So I'll go ahead now and show us how to pad our front. Okay, so I'm done with the back for now. I'll remove that and let's focus on the front. Thank you. Okay guys, this is the front pattern. I'll be removing the side because I won't be adding both the sides. Now for the front here, I'll go ahead and show us. There are some persons that will do their padding on the fashion fabric, but I don't do that, guys. It's your choice. There are many ways to kill a bird. Okay, so now let's keep this aside. This is my lining and this is my fashion fabric. The only thing I do in my fashion fabric is that from here I always notch the underbust. Let's keep this aside. I always notch my underbust to my chest line because that's where my padding will be located. Okay, that's just the area. I'll do same for this, for the lining as well, so that I'll be guided properly on where to start and where to stop. Okay, so now I've notched it both for the lining and the fashion fabric. Now I'll go ahead and iron my double stay to those places I've notched for the fashion fabric. Same goes to the middle front. Okay, same goes to the middle front. But for you to know where this middle front own will start, you have to use your, let me turn this way, or rather I think we'll see it better with the lining part. Since we are doing it this way, okay, this is my under bust. You start from here that you've notched for the center front and trace it. You trace it. Okay, you keep tracing it up till here. You notch it and mark. Then once you've marked it, you go in by 3 inches. But normally, we added ½ inch seam allowance round, so it should be 3.5 inch. This is it. Okay, you mark it. Now you trace it from the under bust. You trace it from the under bust right to the point where you notched for the chest line. Okay, now that is the pattern you are going to cut out. This is the pattern you are going to cut out for your middle front. Now for my center front, this is it. From here to here, I've gone ahead to cut this out. Okay, This is how it will look like. Now I'll iron this to this, but most times this gum here, this gum, normally after ironing it, sometimes when it gets cold, it tends to move, pull off. So I'll use my hemming gum to hold it firmly. Once I want to iron, I'll use my hemming gum to place here all through and iron it. Then I'll place another hemming gum here and iron it. Now to have this V shape, this sweetheart shape neckline, you can come down by ½ inch from the center. Okay, this is my center. You come down here by ½ inch. This is my ½ inch, and you trace it down. If you want to leave it that way, fine. Whatever pattern works for you is okay. But this is how I do mine. Sometimes I just leave it this way. So you trim it off. So I'll go ahead and iron this to here. I've ironed one part of this on the left side. Now I'll go and iron this to the right, and I'll iron this as well. Then I'll come back and show us the next step to take. Alright guys. Okay guys, I'm done joining the 3 pieces together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Center front, middle front, side front. I've joined, and I've also gone ahead to sew down the padding. This is it. Just join it and sew it together. Now after sewing, you notch it this way. I've already notched it. You notch it as well to the other side. Now after notching, you go ahead and iron it. Let me iron it. So this is my bust arm. You make sure you open the line very well. You open it well and you iron. Okay. You open it here again. You start from here on the bust up to here. Okay. So I've ironed that area. Let me iron down this area. Now I'm done ironing here. As you can see, I'll turn it around to the right side and iron as well. As you're ironing, you are using your hand to mold it. Okay. want to mold it down. Okay, this is what you have. All right, so I'll go ahead and do this for the second one, and we'll see our results, and I'll show you guys our results. Okay guys, I've gone ahead to iron it and put my design. This is just a bias and a cord. Just put it inside and use your zipper foot to join it. So this is my fashion fabric, and this is the lining. Okay, I've joined them together. So the next thing I'll do is to go and join both together, give it a good press, and my front is ready. Then for the back, I've also gone ahead to join the back. Okay, I also gone ahead to join the back, center back and the side back. This is the lining. This is center back and side back, left and right. So guys, I'll go ahead and join it together with the lining. Okay, this is how it is. I'll join it together with the lining, and it will be ready for adding of my zip and shaping, and I'll shape it with the front side. Okay, and that will be all for this thing. If I should join everything together, I will now show you guys the finished product. Okay, so this is how I'm going to go and join it. Then I'll join it to the front and voila,